Hello everyone, welcome to today's math video. We are going to learn about factors. But first, you must know your timetables off by heart to understand and do factors easily and solve them easily. You're going to struggle with this unit if you don't understand your and know your timetables. So please keep that just in mind. You will be able to do it if you don't know your timetables, but you're going to struggle a lot and it's going to take long. So as you can see, for so many units of work in math contains timetables. So please, again, know your timetables and this will be a breeze for you. If you don't know them yet, it will be hard to do this work. So make sure to practice them every day. Also remember to write down the notes from this video and do the exercises with us. So what are factors? Factors are numbers that you multiply together to another number. Let's say 2 times 3 equals 6. This means 2 and 3 are factors of 6. So when you hear factors, think of numbers can multiply to get a number. So numbers that you multiply to get a certain number is that number's factors. Let's look at the number 6. What can we multiply to make 6? Let's think. 1 times 6 gives us 6 and 2 times 3 equals 6. So let's write it down. As we can see here, 1 times 6 equals 6 and 2 times 3 equals 6. So the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Easy, right? Did you know a factor is a number that can divide into another number evenly with no remainders? Also, the number 1 is a factor in every number. So it's going to be in all the numbers possible, and it's also going to be the smallest number because anything times a number gives a certain number. So 1 times 9 equals 9, and remember anything in front of the equal sign is the factors. So 1 and 9 is factors of 9. So let's see. Now it's your turn. Try these questions by yourself. Remember to write down your answers in your books. If for every question, if you first want to try it on your own, you can just pause the video and then do them, and then you can play, and then on the next slide, your answers will show. Question 1. What are all the factors of the number 8? Think carefully. Which numbers can you multiply to get 8? I'm gonna go on. You can pause if you want to first figure it out on your own. So let's check. 1 times 8 equals 8 and 2 times 4 equals 8. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. And there's no other numbers that can times with each other to make 8. So we know the only factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Okay. Question 2. What are all the factors of the number 10? You can pause the video to try it first on your own. I'm going on. So 1 times 10 is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. So the factors of 10 is 1, 2, 5 and 10. And how I know this is because the 1 and the 10, 1 times 10, and the 2 times 5, the 2 and a 5, they all four that numbers are in front of the equal sign. So we know all those numbers are factors. The number itself and the 1 is always going to be a factor. So for the factors of 10 itself, it's going to be a factor and 1, and then you must just go get the rest. Question 3. What are all the factors of the number 4? Pause the video and try it for yourself first. So we can see 1 times 4 equals 4 and 2 times 2 equals 4. So the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Let's go a little bit harder and more difficult. Last one. What are all the factors of the number 12? Think carefully on this one. Okay, I'm going on. You can pause the video if you still want to do it. So 1 times 12 equals 12. 2 times 6 equals 12. And 3 times 4 equals 12. Do you see here? Now there's not just 4 factors, but in this case there's 6. So the bigger the number, the more factors there will be. So 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, and 4 are all factors. And if you want to write it in ascending form, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Remember, you must always write all the factors. So all the numbers that can multiply to get the number 12. That's why it's so important to know your multiplication tables, your timetables. Well done, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck with your exercises. Please paste in your notes in your books and do all the activities that we've done, all these questions, as well as the activities in your textbooks. If you want to learn more, go check Google Classroom or ask me for help if you still don't understand or want to practice it even more. And remember, you can't study math, you have to practice, practice, practice.